Here you can see a massive excavator moving tons of dirt with ease. Watch how precisely it loads the dump truck. These operators make it look simple, but every movement is calculated. In heavy construction zones like this, timing and precision are everything. One wrong move could delay the entire operation, or worse, cause a costly accident. Notice how the trucks never stop. It's a non-stop cycle of loading and hauling, keeping the project on schedule. These machines are absolute beasts, designed to move thousands of pounds in seconds. His excavator is a monster. Every swing moves thousands of pounds of dirt like it's nothing. Watch how fast and controlled every motion is. Pushing dirt on a flat surface? Easy. Pushing dirt on a steep slope? That's a whole different story. Watch as this bulldozer fights to stay upright. One wrong move here, and it could slide all the way down. Heavy machines may be powerful, but gravity doesn't care. It takes serious control and nerves of steel to handle conditions like this. Every second on this slope is a fight to stay balanced and safe. Well, this was going great until the ground decided it had enough. Watch this poor excavator slowly realize it's not built for swimming. 1 minute you're working hard, next minute, boom, impromptu mud bath. I mean, props to the operator for staying calm while his 50-ton machine turns into a sinking ship. Lesson of the day: if the ground looks too soft, it probably is. Bring floaties next time, buddy. When your GPS says shortcut, but you weren't ready for all this. One wrong move and it's going to be a one-way trip to the bottom. This guy said, "I don't need a chainsaw, I've got an excavator." That tree never stood a chance. Straight up ripped from the earth. This machine is out here playing real-life fruit ninja. But with trees, blink and it's chopping down half the forest. Well, that's the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more.